Hi friends, I'm Annette and I hope all of y'all are doing fine. As promised last time, today I will be sharing with y'all my reviews about 5 products. For the product details, please check down below in the description box. The first product which I have is the Pulse Oximeter. I'm using this product from past 5 months and this is a very good product. This pulse oximeter is a small, lightweight device used to monitor the amount of oxygen carried in the body. This is a waterproof machine and it comes with a 1-year warranty. This oximeter fits in every finger and it operates with this one button. Long press this button to adjust the brightness of the screen. It sends 2 wavelengths of light through the finger in order to measure your pulse rate and how much oxygen is in your system. First, you have to remove the back cap and insert 2 AAA batteries. Place the finger and wait for few seconds. Please avoid long nails or nail polish on the finger used for the reading. There are 2 readings shown on this device which are SpO2 percentage and pulse rate per minute. The first reading is the SpO2, oxygen saturation percentage of the blood. SpO2 has to be greater than 90%. Pulse rate shows the heart rate per minute. How much does your heart beat in 1 minute? I check my pulse rate every day with the help of this product. Next product I have with me is Roti Maker. It has an adjustable temperature knob to control the temperature. Power indicators with the red light that indicates Roti Maker is on and green light indicates the base is heating. I bought this Roti Maker from Prestige brand as this is a genuine brand. I was fascinated with the Prestige Roti Maker so I bought this product. I experimented with different temperature range but still couldn't get the perfect roti. I also tried to make the roti with the different types of atta but still the roti did not come proper. The roti turns out to be more like a papad. I regret buying this product. It's a bad product from Prestige. So if you want to buy this Roti Maker then definitely what I would suggest you all is that do try this product yourself first. If you can make the rotis then only go ahead with this one. If at all if my review about this Roti Maker changes then I will definitely let you all know, but for of now no. The next product is the Kent Hand Blender. This product is a combination of blender, mixer and vapor. It comes with 2 types of bitters. You can use this for bulk as well as for dry foods such as flour, butter, and for mixing cakes and cookies. I have been using this hand blender since last 7 months and this is a very good product by Kent. Next product which I have is the Steam Vaporizer by Dr. Trust. This product comes with 6 months warranty. This is an ideal device for steam therapy for health and beauty. It includes a measuring cup. Load 40 ml of water into the base. Put the steam mask over the slot. You can also place the nasal mask directly in the middle. Turn on the power. You can control the steam by adjusting the level knob from low to high. Enjoy the steam. The final product which I will be sharing with you all today is the single door mini fridge by Sansui. This mini bar fridge is a must-have product in your bedroom. Its capacity is 80 liters and it comes with 1 year warranty on the product and 4 years warranty on the compressor. I keep the water bottles, soft drinks, juice, chocolates and other desserts in this mini fridge. Especially at night time, you don't have to go all the way into the kitchen to hunt for a chilled drink or a dessert or a chocolate, since you have it all in this mini fridge in your bedroom. And this brand Sansui is very good. I have been using this mini fridge from past 3 years and I don't have any issue with this fridge. So you can go ahead to buy this Sansui fridge for your bedroom. I will be reviewing the remaining products in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, have a good day.